Okay, I'm gonna cover this video, Pre Algebra 8th grade. Previous lesson I call 1.1 and I call this one 1.2. Okay, let's say you were asked what is the value of the expression. Expression is 5 open parenthesis a plus b close parenthesis minus 3 open parenthesis b plus c. If a equal to 4, b equal to 3, and c equal to 2. So what is the value of this expression, right? So 5 times a plus b close parenthesis minus 3 times, you can call this times because it's multiplication, b plus c, and then close parenthesis. If a equal to 4, b equal to 3, and c equal to 2, right? So we just gonna work inside at the same time, replace it a for 4, that is given, plus replace b for 3, minus 3, and then we have to work inside, we replace b for 3, and then c we replace for a 2. Now in algebraic order we have to work inside first. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So this is comes 5 times 7 is 35. Minus 3 here. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Then you end up 3 times 5 is 15. So at the end you will have 35 minus 15 equal to 20. For this expression, 5 open parenthesis a plus b close parenthesis minus 3 open parenthesis b plus c close parenthesis, if a equal to 4, b equal to 3, and c equal to 2, you end up the answer for a 20. This is equal to 20. What the second question is, what is the value of the volume, or what is the value of 8 over 3 n to the power of 3 when n equal to 3 over 2. Replace n cubed for 3 over 2 while you show in the cubed. So you multiply 3 times 3 over 2. So you have 8 over 3 open parenthesis 3 over 2 times 3 over 2 times 3 over 2, because here n equal to 3 over 2 and n cubed, n has a power of 3. So you multiply 3 times for 3 over 2. What you got? So 8 over 3 times 27 over 8, because 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. The final answer is 8 times 27, which equal to 216 all over 24, and the final answer you get 216 divided 24, which is equal to 9. This is how you solve Pre Algebra Math 8th grade when you were asked expression or the value, when it's also given the value, and to find what is the expression or the equation equal to.